good morning everyone. My name is Alifa Tusadia and I'm a management student at Esa Unggul University, Tangerang Campus. It is a pleasure to introduce myself and share my learning journey in English 3. Let me tell you a little about myself, and I am interested in learning how organizations work, how people collaborate in teams, and how effective communication help achieve common goals. I hope the knowledge and experience I gained during my study will allow me uh, will allow me. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Alifa Tusadia, and I'm a management student at Esa Unggul University, Tangerang Campus. It is a pleasure to introduce myself and share my learning journey in English 3. Let me tell you a little about myself. I am interested in learning how organization works, how people collaborate in teams, and how effective communication help achieve common goals. I hope the knowledge and experience I gained during my study will allow me to make positive contribution to society, especially in the fields of business, public service, or government in the future. In my free time, I enjoy visit cozy place, spending time with friends, and exploring new places because these activities help me relax and refresh my mind after my daily routine. I consider myself a friendly, cheerful, and humble person who enjoys working with others. I believe that being open to feedback and consciously learning are important qualities for both personal and personal growth. If I had to describe my personal brand, I would say that I am adaptable, reliable, and supportive individual. My empathic nature allows me to understand different perspectives, communicate effectively, and build positive relationship with others. My college and supervisor describe me as cooperative, communicative, and responsible. I always try to create a comfortable and collaborative environment where everyone can work together to achieve shared goals. Reflecting on my learning experience in English 3, realized that in this course taught me much more than grammar and vocabulary. It helped me develop the confidence to communicate my ideas more clearly in English. Both in speaking and writing, I also learning how to introduce myself personally, organize my ideas logically, and deliver presentation more effectively. The most meaningful activities for me were the presentation against and creating my personal portfolio. This text encouraged me to reflect on my strengths, value, and future goals while practicing how to communicate them in a personal way. Through this experience, I become more confident in expressing myself and presenting information in front of others. Through the semester, I noticed significant improvement in both my writing and speaking skill. My writing became more organized and professional, while my speaking became more fluent because I had many opportunities to practice using English during presentation and class activity. Of course, I also experienced several challenges during this course. At first, I was not always confident speaking English, especially when presentation in front of the class. I was sometimes afraid of making mistake in grammar, pronoun, and vocabulary. However, instead of giving up, I pressed more regularly, review the feedback from my lecturer, and tried to use English more often in my daily learning activity. As a result, I became more confident, improved my pronouns, expanded my vocabulary, and learning how to communicate my ideas more naturally. In the future, I plan to apply the knowledge and skill I gained from English 3 in both my academic and personal life. This skill will help me deliver presentation confidently, communicate effectively during meeting, write personal emails and reports, and prepare personal when needed. I also believe that strong English communication skills will support me in building my personal identity and preparing for a career in both the business and public service sector. As someone who enjoys working with others and contributing to meaningful goals, I believe English will become an important tool for my future career development. Thank you for listening my presentation. I truly appreciate this opportunity to share my learning journey. I will continue improving my English skill and developing myself so that I can become a competent professional who makes positive contribution to society. Thank you and have a wonderful day.